In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 Malaysia stocks that are about to start a bull run and how you can actually participate right at the beginning of this potential bull run with great entry. So let's just get started now. The first stock is JFTECH. So JF Technology BERHAD has been on a rise since last year. So especially this last move to the upside. So this is a very textbook style parabolic run up that comes with the increasing of the volume, and this is quite typical, and a lot of the distribution actually happened on the way up. So especially we see the last candle right at the top comes with a spike of this volume. So right after that we see a reaction down that's pretty much wiped out a lot of the previous gain. However, take a look at this reaction down with this low volume. So why is it low volume? Mainly because a lot of the distribution happened on the way up. So while a lot of the people just jump in and buy the stocks, a lot of the strong hands also distributed on the way up. That's why we didn't really see a collapse or we do not really see a rise in this volume on the way down. And subsequently, there's a attempt to rally up, but it's just a very not sustainable, and it actually just fell right at this supply zone. So it's kind of forming an upthrust action and eventually have another reaction down. However, this reaction is very much different from the first reaction. So there is something that's different and something is changing right at this moment while the reaction is unfolding. So first, look at the volatility of the previous down move. It's a bit more volatile in terms of the candle spread and in terms of the volume as well. And subsequently, this reaction actually comes with a bit less volatile candle spread, and we definitely see supply has been decreasing on the way down, and eventually it just touched the previous support level. So this is kind of like the axis line where the previous resistance now turned the support level. So it has been holding up since March, and subsequently just forming this trading range. And just a few days ago, there is something very interesting happened. So we definitely see a spike of the volume, and this momentum bullish candle just break out to the upside. So this is a bullish sign. So because first of all, we definitely see supply has been decreasing, and you can see that we did not really see a lower low, and it's just forming a consolidation. And right now we see a bullish bar, and with a spike of this volume and aggressive demand coming in. So right now this previous or the following 2 candles actually just like a normal type of the pullback. So we just need to wait for it to resolve itself out from this consolidation period. Otherwise, it could be quite dangerous to just catch the falling knife. So let's just see how it goes and whether you can just return or reverse from here. So any type of the reversal type of a signal from here on could be a nice long entry with a stop below this bullish momentum bar. Otherwise, just wait for the breakout bar, and the immediate target price will be the previous swing high level or the previous supply zone somewhere around 1.8. Okay, so this is JFTECH, is still a very bullish structure. So next stock is LUXCHEM. So LUXCHEM is still in a consolidation period or trading range, but definitely something is changing right here. So this is the trading range that I'm talking about. And first of all, first sign, this rally up comes with increasing of the volume, such as in some buying, and eventually it just stopped the previous downtrend from going down further and into the trading range. So let's just focus on the recent price action. So recently we definitely see something very interesting starting from this portion right here, and supply or the volume is a bit more active and comparing to the previous session, and subsequently we see this kind of the breakout and also continuation to the upside and tested the previous swing high level. So once it's tested the swing high level, first we definitely expect spike of the supply, as we can see in the volume pane, and subsequently here's a reaction come. But notice the reaction is kind of a shadow type of the reaction, so it did not really go all the way back to about previous axis line where the resistance now turned the support. Instead it just retraced about probably about 30-40% of this move up, and last Friday is kind of forming a reversal type of the candle. So at the moment I think it's probably wise to wait for kind of the breakout signal, breaking out from this immediate resistance level at about 95 cents. So if you can just commit above 95, then I think there's a high chance for LUXCHEM to test the next resistance level, so somewhere around 1.2, and you can see that they actually match the previous supply zone right there. So this is a huge bearish bar and acts as a supply zone. So let's just see if LUXCHEM can commit above this immediate resistance level at about 95. Okay, so this is LUXCHEM and it's a very bullish signal. So the last stock is TELADAN. So TELADAN has been on a very nice up channel. So this is the channel that I just drawn up, and you can see that the price pretty much just traveling within this nice uptrending channel. However, I do see another type of the interpretation about this type of the channel. So first of all, this is the IPO bar, comes with a spike of this volume, and subsequently we see a very quick recovery up, and this is the first type of the breakout, comes with the increasing of the supply level, and here comes the reaction. So this is a very bullish sign. So the reaction comes with very low volume, suggesting there's not much supply, hence that we see successful of the breakout subsequently. And next, what we have here is this kind of the movement. So I viewed it actually as some kind of the upsloping structure. So this is the upsloping structure or upsloping range, and this is the first reaction, second reaction, and after this the reaction. And if we just zoom in a little bit more to see the volume, let's just, okay, so here we go. So take a look at this. So this reaction actually comes with slightly more volume than the previous type of the reaction. However, it actually formed a higher low, so that really suggests some kind of the supply absorption, and that has been confirmed by this potential sign of strength rally. So take a look at this. Sign of strength rally is just a move out from this trading range or the upsloping trading range. So right after that, we definitely want to see shadow type of the pullback, and what we can expect next is a continuation to the upside. So if we can just break above the immediate resistance swing high level right there, about 71 cent or 705, then we can expect further price movement to test the target price from 76 to about 80 cent immediate target price. So that could come in very fast. Alright, so that's TELADAN, and I think it's very bullish. If you'd like to learn more on how to increase your win rate and other great chance for swing trading stocks, check out the video that's shown on the screen right now, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to get my exclusive updates for trading and investing ideas for free. So link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you soon.